Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to run payroll in Keka. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Keka Payroll. Alright, so just type out Keka Payroll, and then you have this first website right here. So you just simply click on this one. Okay, so right here we just have to get a demo. All right, so simply click on the get a free trial option. And then right here, you just have to type out your first name and then your last name. Okay, and then you just have to type out your email. All right, so after that, you just have to type out your phone number. Okay, so make sure that the email that you are going to use is your business email to get the demo. Okay, so since we cannot really request for a demo, so what we are going to do here is we are going to discuss the payroll section. So we have here on the products, we're just going to focus on the process payroll. Okay, so just go and click on this one. Okay, so since we cannot really access the actual dashboard of this tool, I was still going to discuss to you the benefits and then the advantage if you are going to use the Keka for your payroll. Okay, so right here you can transform your payroll workflow flexible enough to fit your needs while maintaining 100% accuracy through automation. All right, so you have that right here. So in order for you to run your payroll, so this is how the dashboard looks like, right? So you have your home page, the me section, the inbox, my team, and then your payroll section. So on the payroll section, you just have to click on the all employees, and then you'll be able to see here now all of your employees. Right, so once you found your employees, the next thing that you are going to do is to process your payroll in minutes. So fully automated from collect in to pay out. So from auto syncing attendance data from different sources like timesheets, collect ins, web collect ins, and managing leaves to direct deposit, eliminate the manual work at every step. All right. So after that, here, as you can see for the flexible payments, any worker, any pay type, and any pay mode, from contractors to full-timers, and from hourly and annual to piece rate, manage payments for every type of worker across borders with flexible pay schedules. And then for the timely taxes and filing, so we have 50 states, all tax forms, zero worries. So the Keka handles all your federal and state filings across all 50 US states, including the W-2s and 1099s, and more. Ensure timely tax filings with the right agencies. So take note of that. And then here, automate contributions. So just choose your benefits provider, and then the Keka will handle the rest. So choose from their integrated brokers or an external broker of your choice. So the Keka facilities benefits contributions within payroll automatically. And then for the accounting integrations, bookkeeping, but effortless with fully synced accounting tools. So automatically sync payroll data with your accounting tools for accurate, effortless bookkeeping. Okay, and then you can process payroll for multiple entities centrally. So run accurate, on-time payroll for your entities with teams of any size, whether it's 50 or 500 employees, without the hassle of switching between systems or accounts. All right, so if you would like to get the payroll, then you just have to click on the sign up for free trial. Okay, so now let's proceed to the compliance. So 50 states, one happy compliance solution. So from minimum wage to overtime calculations, garnishments to tax filings, every compliance need. So the Keka will handle the rules so you don't have to. All right. So here they have an automated tax compliance So federal and state tax compliances on autopilot. So the Keka ensures proactive compliance monitoring, automated filings, and crystal clear reporting for visibility and control on tax status. And then here, stay ahead of minimum wage laws. So real-time monitoring alerts you to minimum wage gaps, letting you adjust now or plan ahead to maintain perfect compliance. And then handle wage garnishments with care and compliance. So the KECA will manage the sensitive process of payroll deductions, including timely payments of child support garnishments automatically and confidentially. Now for the overtime math. So overtime or doubled overtime, automate overtime calculation as per the state rules and overtime hours worked by any employee for the accurate pay calculation on payroll. Now let's proceed to the benefits. Okay, now the perks that keep your teams happy and sticking around. All right. So benefits integration that works your way. So from simply insured and next to guideline 401, integrate with the benefits carrier of your choice while Keka handles contributions automatically, ensuring compliance at all times. So health benefits that auto adjust in your payroll system. Find the perfect medical, dental, and vision coverage for your teams with Simply Insured, and then let the Keka handle everything from codes, automated payroll deductions, and ongoing support. Right, so you can keep your team and business covered with Next. So cover workplace injuries and medical expenses with pay as you go premiums that scale with your payroll. So you can get instant codes, seamless setup, and support as needed. So we have an affordable 401k plans that manage themselves to sync, manage, and automate your team's retirement benefits through the Keka's guidelines, integration, compliant payroll deductions at a budget-friendly price. So you can put a choice of benefits in your team's hand. So the Keka self-serve portal lets the employees explore and enroll in benefits on their own. So with instant updates and intuitive guidance, watch employee engagement and retention rise. Okay, and then for the benefits intelligence that drives better decisions, that turn complex benefits data into clear insights, analyze engagement trends, track spending across demographics, and identify optimization opportunities in one view. So we also have here the expense management. All right, so you can go paperless to the mobile receipt scanning. You can also set your rate limits and avoid expense overage. Now, if you want more information about this tool, especially the payroll, then you just have to visit this website. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.